Hi, today we're going to be unboxing the EinScan HX2. The EinScan HX2 is a hybrid scanner, scanning with both blue laser light and LED light. It offers up to 4 microns of accuracy, scanning at a minimum point distance of 0.05 millimeters. And in laser mode, it scans at 1,600,000 points per second and 120 frames per second. In addition to all that, it can also perform full color scans, making it ideal for automotive applications, research and education, in addition to cultural preservation and art customization. If you need to go a step further, there's also a special CAD bundle that you can add to your EinScan HX2, allowing you to, with a single click of a button, export models to XModel, where you can easily convert your 3D scan into a CAD model. So now that we know what it can do, let's go ahead and open up the box. This is kind of exciting. You can see that the box is factory sealed, so we'll be opening it up as though we were customers, getting the full experience here. Alright, here we go. Gonna cut through the sealing label. There's no going back now. So after cutting through the tape and the sealing label, this is what you'll be presented with inside. Very securely and nicely packed. Come up here and remove the plastic bag. This case is no joke. You can see how big it is. It's got wheels on the bottom, allowing you to easily transport it. It's also got this handle so that you can easily drag the EinScan HX2 behind you. And what's kind of cool about the handle is that you've got a lock right here as well. So you're not going to be pulling it out by accident. When you pull it out, it's also locked in place. So it's not going to slip or slide. And then you just push down on the locking mechanism again to unlock it. Slide it back into place. Let's go ahead and open it up, see what's inside. So upon opening the Pelican case, you're presented with a packaging list. If you are missing any of these items, then you should let your reseller, us, know immediately. But inside, we should be finding a scanner, USB drive, power adapter, power cable, calibration board, position paper, markers, calibration certificate. Let's see if we have all these things. So here's the calibration certificate. So here we have the cable for attaching the HX2 to the computer. Alright, here we have various adapters. You've got your UK adapter, American adapter, European adapter, some other adapters I've never seen before. Didn't know that it came with that. That's really useful. Here's the power block. Here's the USB drive. Comes with cable clips. Hold this up so that you can see it. There's actually a piece of foam inserted within the foam encasing to keep your HX2 super safe. That's very snugly fit in there. Here's the HX2, all wrapped in plastic. It's a beautiful device. And here, up at the top, you have your markers. It even says markers, in case you're not sure. And underneath of this foam insert, we have our calibration board, and it is huge. But even the calibration board has a foam component in here that's fitted to the size of the calibration board so that the calibration board won't slide around when you're traveling with the Pelican case. So let's put everything away. There's ample room in here so you don't feel like you have to squeeze everything in here, which is really, really nice. And everything's got its own little compartment. There was absolutely no problem sticking everything back into the case, and it's all snugly fit. So you're not going to worry about things shifting or moving around when you're traveling with the EinScan HX2. Very well thought out design here. Nice and secure and ready to go. Though the Pelican case is quite robust, the EinScan HX2 itself weighs only 745 grams, making it an ideal solution for both beginners and professionals. So that was the unboxing of the EinScan HX2. I hope it was as exciting for you as it was for me. If you would like to get your hands on one of these, feel free to reach out to us at info@umax.com. If you'd like to see the other scanners that we have available, in addition to taking a deeper look at this scanner, you can do so at umax.com. If you found this helpful, please hit like, please subscribe, and stay tuned for further videos. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.